Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the desktop wallpaper on your Windows 7 computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So let's say you have an image. I would highly recommend you put it on your desktop. Once it's on your computer's desktop, so wherever your main place you might put files on your desktop with the recycling bin and everything, this is your desktop. You want to right click on the image and then left click on set as desktop background. Again, just right click on the image, left click on set as desktop background. Now depending on the quality and resolution of the picture and how big your monitor displays, it might come out a little blurry. So that's just something that you're going to have to deal with on your own because it really depends on how the quality of the picture is itself. So thank you guys for watching. I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.